How to make yourself admin of any WhatsApp group. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to make yourself admin of any WhatsApp group. I have a easy step-by-step coding hack to make yourself an admin without the admin's permission on any WhatsApp group. All groups on WhatsApp have an admin who can add or remove participants from the group. Not only that, he has certain powers that the group members do not possess. Now you can have all the superpowers of a WhatsApp group admin without the permission of the admin itself. You need to be knowledgeable in coding or binary numbers. However, you can follow my step-by-step guide below to become admin of any WhatsApp group without admin's permission. The list of binary numbers in the description below will help you calculate the admin's phone number in binary and do the trick for you. Now, go to the group you wish to become an admin. Copy your admin's number in whatever format it is, international or local. It is better to copy in local format with 0 in the starting example 089392233654. Now convert the group admin's phone number to binary numbers. For example, the number 089392233654 will look like the numbers on this image. You can do this on your phone's keypad. Next, copy this format which can be found in the description below this video. Copy it and replace where it says, admin's number in binary, your number. Your format would look like this, as shown in the image. Now, copy and paste the same format on the group you want to become an admin and send it in the group. Next, delete and uninstall WhatsApp from your phone. Once you're done uninstalling, reinstall it, and you would have made yourself the admin of the group. Thanks for watching my video. How to make yourself admin of any WhatsApp group Android. If you liked this video, please like the video, leave a comment and share it with your friends. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get notified as soon as I upload a new video.